What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am back on Roseboro Road, down to the short paved section. This is the section where there's a chapel or something. So yeah, there it is. Alright, so there's a road. The reason I came back here to Roseboro Road, like I said, I've been wanting to explore all this part of North Carolina because there's so much to explore. There's a road that, it wasn't this one. Yeah, this has no outlet. There's a road that connects between Roseboro and another road. It looks like it's a National Forest road. It might be gated. I don't know. I've ridden by it a couple times now, and I've not seen it. I think I've kind of seen it because I've seen parked cars. If that's what I'm thinking of, I don't know if that's what it is or not. But we're gonna find out. But kind of wanted to come back down here and see what's good. It's been pretty much 1 week, almost exactly, since I was here and filmed it last time. I swear it's so much greener. It's so much nicer. We'll have to stop and pull my jacket off here in a second. That way I can open up some of the vents because it's actually a lot warmer today too. Not as many campers yet. But so last week I went down Roseboro and then took a right at the end, and then almost in another immediate right to go up Pinola, which takes you back to the parkway, which was muddy. It has not rained. It's been really nice and sunny all week, so I don't expect there to be any mud. But instead of going down taking a right, we're going to go down, and if this road is not gated, we'll take it. I don't know how much trouble you will get in going around a closed gate on a National Forest road, but I'm assuming it's probably a lot of trouble, or at least a decent fine. I'm assuming, I don't know. Watching my prior videos, we used to go around gates often. But if that's closed, what I'll do, if it's gated, I'll just go down the rest of Roseboro Road here. At the end, instead of taking a right, I will take a left, because that road will lead to the same place. It's I'll take a left, and then that left may be Edgemont Rd. But basically, I'm going down Roseboro, and I want to cut across to a National Forest road to end up on Edgemont Rd. Because Edgemont Rd, I believe, is all the ones that had all the cool little waterfalls. There were nothing. I think there's a couple of nice waterfalls, but along the road there's a few that aren't like crazy massive waterfalls, but they're still neat. I think that's Edgemont Rd. I'm not positive, but if it's a road I'm thinking of, it should come out on 221 near Grandfather Mountain, and of course 221 will intersect with the Bluish Parkway again. I'm sure you've noticed there's a theme with starting on the Blue Rush Parkway. There's just so much to explore off the Bluish Parkway. And I didn't get new tires, which is, it was kind of the reason why it hasn't rained at all, so I'm not really worried about mud, and they still do just fine in gravel right now, so I'm not too worried about that either. Now, if it would have rained a lot, I would not have been riding on the mud again. just because I didn't want to. That's about it. I feel like that road is right here somewhere. I got passed by a KTM. I think it was a 350. I can't remember those bikes very well. This is what I'm talking about. No, I don't think this is it. Well, if it is, it's closed. Shoot. Well, that sucks. I bet this is it. Can't see the numbers on the gate. 451. I didn't think that was the National Forest route, but maybe it is. Well, shoot. Like I said, I'm not sure how much trouble you would get in going around the gate. At first glance, they got it pretty well protected. I definitely can't get the CB 500X around that side because a little too bulky for that. Definitely could get it up right back there and behind the gate as well, but going, like I said, I don't know. I really don't know how much trouble I would get in. But it's also, I'm not too worried about it. All I have to do is just keep going down Roseboro Road and then taking a turn. I do have service, so I'm going to go ahead and use Google Maps this time instead of the Gaia GPS. That's what I usually use to. Look all through the maps because it's kind of it's what I use for the Trans-America Trail. So I got really used to, and I like the way it looks better than Google Maps for all these gravel roads. Here I am. So, yep, that's the one. That's the one I was thinking of. No, it's not. Hi-oh! That one is the one that ends right there at Rock House Creek. There's a hiking trail. That's why I see people parked here all the time, is because they're hiking up through here. So that's not the one I was talking about. Let's just keep going. Is it? Well, now I'm really confused. Maybe it was. Hold on. Let me see. The one I was talking about. Oh, Lord have mercy. The one I was talking about, I just passed. This is what I was talking about. It was right across where I just mentioned how green it was, right across that bridge. There's apparently a road right past this bridge. That's the one. Let's see if I can go back there and take that, because that should take me all the way to that road, take a left, and I'll be right near Gragg, Gragg, yeah, North Carolina, and then take a left onto Edgemont. I think that's Edgemont. Yes. Okay, that was my mistake. I had this place in mind, and didn't even think about looking before this road. I thought this would be the one. I didn't think it looked the same. I remember looking on the maps and everything, and I swear there was a parking area right across from where that starts. That's why I stopped and looked back, because I didn't see any kind of a parking area like it was on the map. I bet it's gated too. I didn't even recognize this. Yeah, it's closed. Shoot. Well, shoot. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna go the long way. Again, how much trouble will one get in? Well, while I'm sitting here, I'm going to take off this jacket and open up the vents, because it is a tad bit warm through here. Alright, that's better. So I guess, since that one's closed, I'll just go ahead and head at the end of Roseboro Road. And take a left. I think if I take a left, I think that is Edgemont Road at that point. And I guess I'll just stay on it. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. But since I already filmed this road last week, I think I'll probably just skip to the video and pick up at the end. Here we are. See, I thought this... Okay, so last time I went here off of Roseboro. I don't know what's over there. Looks like just a home, maybe. Maybe a church, but I'm gonna take a left. Oh, it's gravel right there. So somewhere up here, I'm gonna be taking a left and another left. No, one left. Shoot! I had to pull my maps back out. Oh, this is all new gravel. Tons of little camps through here. Wait, I've seen this road. What, have I? Coffee's General Store. Yes, I've seen this road. Or these homes. But I don't remember when or why. I'll figure out what I'm doing here in just a second. Oh wow, this is definitely a lot of cabins. You know, oh, that's neat. But that one right there looks like a straight up home. Like a permanent home. Actually, this seems to be pretty populated with cabins. A lot more than I was expecting. No swimming. Oh, this is all private property. Yeah. Actually, let me just pull out the maps real quick. They clearly have had some issues with people on the land, I guess. There's a posted sign in purple paint, which is also means posted, for those who don't know, all over the place. Okay, so I just came down Roseboro. I am here. Yes, this is Edgemont Rd. So I guess technically I just stay on this road right here. Okay, yes. So here's Greg. I'm coming up on the bottom of Greg instead of coming up from the top, since that gate is closed. Yeah, so I'll just stay straight, and then I'll end up in Greg. Sounds good. Might want to turn the bike on, huh? This one seems like it would have been muddy. Like Pinola Road was.